Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reopen a frozen Shopify store. This is helpful if your store has been paused or restricted and you want to get it back up and running. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, let's say you have a store that has been frozen and you want to reopen it. All we need to do is click on My Store or your store name in the upper left corner, then go to your account. Once here, we just need to view stores. Then click on inactive so we can see the store that has been frozen. For example, if this is your frozen store, just click on it. Now, once we are here, all we need to do is pay for the Shopify store. Simply renew the subscription and billing payments. We need to pay because the main reason a store gets frozen is usually due to missed payments or an expired plan. All we have to do is pay that amount so the store can start working normally again. This will help resolve why the Shopify store is frozen, and the steps we take, such as sorting out billing issues or contacting support, will get things back on track. Once we are done contacting support and reviewing the account, the store will be reopened. And that's how we reopen a frozen Shopify store. With this simple process, we can get the business back online and running smoothly again.